All right, as you can see, I got it back up and running. Took a couple more days than I thought. Not for delivery because it was prompt on time, and I've been kind of under the weather. Um, as well as it's been raining down here in Central Alabama. Anyway, before it starts to rain again, here's you can kind of see uh what I've been doing, mowing a little bit of my back lot. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get in here and take care of this. And my water level is so far down. The dam broke, and so I don't really have too many places to fish here anymore. But anyway, getting back to the mower itself, I'm gonna do a little. I'm gonna get somewhere real quick and do a little high speed mowing, and let you guys see uh, how well it cuts. Just mowing like a jackass, just fast as hell, engine speed all the way up, not giving a daggum crap about uh, anything. All right, this is that same little spot. As you can see what it's done. It's got really thick up in there because I had already blown grass petals over this way and I went straight through it. So let's mow like we got some sense. Mm. Mowing some of them like you got good sense. Here we go. Look at that.